Hello everyone, my name is Akshay Kumar Dattatre Bhagat and today is 3rd of August 2022 and it's my original video. So our today's topic is the Spring Data JPA. So basically, as we know, when we are working with a Spring framework, at that time we are having Spring Web, which is communicating with the UI and the controller and the Spring. Then the core Spring, in core Spring, which is we are having dependency injection, container, or IOC like concepts as we have studied previously. So this one is an right side part, that is Spring Data JPA, which is communicating with the database and the Spring Web. Then this so first of all we will see what is meant by Spring Data JPA. So basically Spring Data JPA means the JPA stands for Java Persistence API and API stands for Application Programming Interface. So basically we can say that JPA is an interface. So basically it is an interface which internally uses the, as we know for previously, for the connection of the our database and uh, our Spring, we are using JDBC as a connector. So that is Java database connectivity. So that is totally a donkey work which we were doing. So always we are creating the username, password, and we are passing the objects and hitting the queries. At each and time, this repeating work has been done. Then the Hibernate has been introduced in between. So basically, Hibernate internally uses JDBC. So Hibernate automatically does the work of the uh, JDBC. JDBC. So that donkey work is totally minimized by the Hibernate. But latest in the 2006, then the Spring JPA has been introduced. So as if there are some disadvantages. So like if Hibernate sorry, if Hibernate totally means it doesn't update for itself, and if our Spring gets updated, then it will create some problem, and so that can create a problem in our data connectivity. So that's why the Java has been introduced their JPA, that is Java Persistence Application Programming Interface, so which is implementing the Hibernate internally, and Hibernate implementing the JDBC internally. So like this way in Spring Data JPA, when we fire and it internally having Hibernate, and it uses Hibernate and JDBC, and it connects with the database server. So as the Spring Data JPA takes object from our Spring, and it gives the object to object is converted into the query, and it gives to MySQL, and it retrieves back the database, and it gives back the object. So like this way, the Hibernate stands in between, and the Spring Data JPA stands in between our MySQL and Spring Server. So basically, uh, as from in Spring we are having one object. So in Spring, one object means here we are getting the one row we can say. So as we are giving the object, then here it is changing in the rows. So like this way, it is used internally for communicating between the Spring server and MySQL, that is database server. So that is all about the Spring Data JPA. Thank you.